control. Holy shit, it's going into the mountains right now. Well, I am on my way to the airport right now, to Geneva airport to be exact. I am going to pick up a friend of mine that is coming from Holland. I met this dude last summer in Indonesia as we spent about a week together sailing all the way from Komodo National Park to the island of Lombok. We had a pretty badass time together. So yeah, we kept in touch mainly through Instagram. So his Instagram is going to be down in the description if you want to see his work. So yeah, he's coming to Switzerland to explore the Alps, and tomorrow morning we are heading to a pretty iconic mountain. And we are going up to the Gornergrat, see what's waiting for us up there.
Love this pain, set me on fire, keep lifting me higher in your flames. If love is pain, throw me in the water when I'm going under. Save me again. Oh.
So we are going to take the drone and go up on top of this mountain over there. We are free climbing this whole mountain to get the drone back, and yeah, so we are getting closer.
Dude, I found it! What the hell? Woo! Yes! Million word footage is found.
Fucking shit, dude, we're so lucky.
Oh shit! I hope it's not broken.
Sweet mother cheese. Fuck, just film what we just climbed, man, to get this fucking drone back.
Oh,
This is sick. Now we got it and we're gonna die on the way back.
let's break our legs. Fucking hell.
Shit.
The footage is saved.
Set me on fire, keep lifting me higher in your flames.
We just made it back to our campsite and look what we just climbed. So we went right up there to get this freaking drone back. Well, after having crashed our drone in Matterhorn, we left and headed to a new place, but the road then got closed, so we had to change our plans, and now we just landed here. And it is freaking raining, but look at the spots. Got the tent right here, and the lake and the mountains are all around us. So hopefully tomorrow morning is gonna be a good day. Yeah.
I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
Hey dude, look at the weather. You have to jump in.
Oh shit, I think it's time to take a little dip. Ah, it's gonna be cold. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.